Bay window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Covington looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of styles and materials available, custom bay windows Covington can be tailored to fit any architectural design, providing both beauty and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient bay windows Covington are designed to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. In Covington, residential window services offer a range of solutions, including double-pane windows and insulated glass units, to improve energy efficiency and reduce noise. Double-pane bay windows Covington are particularly effective in minimizing heat loss and enhancing soundproofing. Custom window solutions in Covington provide homeowners with the flexibility to choose designs that match their personal style and home architecture. From window style consultation to window design consultation, Covington experts can guide you through the process of selecting the perfect windows for your home. Bay windows Covington are a popular recommendation during style consultation, ensuring that your new windows complement your existing decor. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Covington window frame installation services can address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring your windows remain functional and secure. Covington window sash replacement is another important service, allowing for the replacement of damaged or outdated sashes to improve window operation and appearance. Installing new frames around bay windows Covington ensures long-term strength and visual appeal. Window seal installation is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Covington window seal installation services can identify and fix leaks, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Properly done bay windows. Covington seal installation is particularly important for maintaining the unique structure and insulation of bay windows. Window hardware upgrade services in Covington can enhance the functionality and security of your windows. From locks to handles, upgrading your window hardware can provide peace of mind and improve ease of use. Specialized bay windows. Covington Hardware offers unique solutions to keep your bay windows secure and operating smoothly. Window weatherproofing is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Covington window weatherproofing services include window caulking services and window trim replacement to prevent water intrusion and improve energy efficiency. Professional bay windows Covington caulking ensures a tight seal around your bay windows, preventing leaks and drafts. Window screen installation is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Covington window screen installation services offer a range of screen options to suit your needs, including retractable and custom-fit screens. Custom bay windows. Covington screen installation provides tailored solutions for the unique dimensions of bay windows. Window condensation installation is necessary for preventing moisture damage and maintaining clear views. Covington window condensation installation services can address issues such as foggy glass and water buildup, ensuring your windows remain clear and functional. Professional bay windows. Covington condensation installation is particularly important for preserving the aesthetic appeal and clarity of bay windows. Covington window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Whether you need window frame installation or window sash replacement, our Covington residential window services are here to help. We specialize in frame and sash installation to ensure your windows are in top condition. For homeowners, investing in bay windows Covington frame installation ensures durability and elegance for years to come. Energy-efficient bay windows Covington are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. With our energy-efficient bay windows Covington, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and increased comfort, all while enhancing your home's design. Window glass replacement and window seal installation are crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your windows. Our window glass replacement services in Covington ensure that your windows are functioning at their best. We offer window seal installation to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Installing new glass and seals in bay windows Covington ensures maximum clarity and insulation. Window weatherproofing and window caulking services are essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our Covington window weatherproofing services include window caulking services to seal any gaps and prevent drafts. We offer weatherproofing for all window types, including bay windows Covington, ensuring long-lasting energy efficiency and protection against the elements. Window style consultation and window design consultation are available to help you choose the perfect windows for your home. Our Covington window design consultation services offer expert advice on window styles and designs. We provide style consultations for bay windows Covington, helping you select the best design to match your home's architecture and decor. Window maintenance services and window energy audit are important for keeping your windows in top condition. Our Covington window maintenance services include regular inspections and installations to ensure your windows are functioning properly. With our maintenance and energy audit services for bay windows Covington, homeowners can extend the lifespan of their windows and maximize energy savings. Window noise reduction and window UV protection are important features for any home. Our Covington window noise reduction services help minimize outside noise, creating a peaceful environment. We also offer UV protection to prevent fading and damage to your furnishings. Adding these features to bay windows Covington enhances comfort, style, and durability. Window tinting services and window security features are available to enhance the functionality of your windows. Our Covington window tinting services provide privacy and reduce glare, while our window security features offer added protection for your home. Professionally installed tinting and security options for bay windows Covington deliver both safety and style for local homeowners.